Hello, today we're going to be going over the steps for how to create a sharp scan to SMB address book entry. Open an internet browser, type the IP address of the copier into the address bar, and press enter. In order to enter a new address book entry, you will need to log in as the administrator. If you do not have the administrator password, please contact the DEX Imaging Help Desk or your internal IT to continue. Select the Address Book tab, then select Add. Before proceeding, you will need the information below: the host name or IP address of the PC where the folder is located, the shared folder's name, then finally a username and password that has admin rights to the PC. If you do not have any of the information that was listed in the previous screen, you will need to contact the DEX Imaging Help Desk or your internal IT before you can create the SMB entry. First, you will be prompted to enter a search number. If this field is left blank, the next available number will automatically populate. Next, you are required to enter an address name. This should be the name of the person whose scan folder will receive the scan jobs. While entering an initial is optional, it is considered a best practice. Now, check the box next to register this address to frequent use so the entry will be added to the frequent use index. Scroll down and select the Network Folder tab. Then enter the network folder path. Next, enter the username. Check the box next to password, and then enter the password. Finally, scroll down slightly and click Submit to save a single destination. If you are entering multiple destinations, select Submit and Register next instead. Before clicking Log Out, make sure to test the new address book entry at the copier, and if it fails, verify the information and try again. This concludes the tutorial for how to create a sharp scan to SMB address book entry. Thank you for choosing DEX Imaging and subscribe to our channel.